Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is Monday and holiday pa rin dito sa Denmark, and tomorrow back to normal na naman work. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday work, and Friday holiday na naman. So yun, so right now we're just driving, so maingay siya. So right now we're just driving at pauwi na kami ng bahay. And yeah, we just went out to buy food. To buy food. No, we actually eat out. Kinain namin kebab. Kebab yung kinain niya sa akin ay iwan ko anong pangalan.
Shawarma.
Shawarma?
Shawarma.
Shawarma. Okay, yun yung kinain ko guys, pero may rice siya. So nabusog ako at ang laki ng serving at kinain ko lahat. Kaya ngayon pang nahihirapan ako huminga dahil I eat too much. Wala na naman tayong diet. Pero kailangan mo talagang gawin yung diet na yan. Lumalaki na talaga ako ng sobra. So yun. Ang ganda ng weather today. And yeah, we're just gonna go home and chill. We're just gonna go home and chill. So, but I think later it will be a good idea to actually go out again and walk outside. Pag hindi na ganun ka init. Mainit ngayon dito guys, it's 20 degrees, and of course sanay naman tayo sa init kasi diba I'm from Philippines, I'm used to it, but this kind of init here, it's really like init, understand, like there's no wind, so it's really,
There is when you can see the flag.
yeah, I don't know, I just feel like there's no wind.
It is a different heat.
Yeah, it's a different kind of heat.
We don't got the humidity in the air that you do in the Philippines.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah, it's a more dry heat.
Yeah, it's a dry
Yeah,
heat.
it's another heat.
So yun guys, yun ang ating buhay today. My God, nahirapan ako huminga, ang busog ko I'm so full though, it's like I'm having hard time breathing. I eat too much.
Yeah, you did.
Yes.
I don't know if I should be impressed or be worried about.
Why? Why should you be impressed and why should you be worried?
Worried about the food budget is going up.
And then you're impressed about,
The amount that you can put away.
yeah,
The amount
It's
of
crazy.
food you can pack in that tummy.
this year I've really just like I've eat too much this year, like ang lakas ko nang kumain. Last night nga nag-midnight snack pa ako ng rice at oh my God, kailangan ko na talaga mag-diet eh. Pa-summer pa naman, alam niyo na pag summer may mga swimming na nangyayari. Yung chan ko hindi ready, pero who cares, diba? Enjoy natin yung life natin. So yun, kanina nag-train pala ako guys. I took the train, and then in the train station Martin picked me up, and then we eat kebab on the way, and now pauwi na kami. Parang ang ganda ng buhok ko today hindi naman, pero
What are you doing really?
no, I feel like my hair is nice today. Hindi kasi ako nag-shower guys, naghimasa lang ba. It's also fine, you know. Don't back!
We need it's so warm in there.
So annoying. My husband's so annoying. Sige, papakita ko na lang sa inyo yung view guys, right?
Aircon, I need aircon!
What?
I need aircon now. I cannot wait anymore. What the fuck?
Sige, I will just, okay guys. See you
Bye,
later.
for fuck's sake.
Ikaw ba, why you always
That's
saying bad
fun.
words?
That's fun. It's fun. It's like giving it a little.
Giving it
Actually, I don't need aircon. Just to make a little.
You're so annoying.
Still
What are you feeling?
What I feel?
You said you are feeling.
Feeling? I'm feeling a little funny. She tried to get me.
Okay, we're home na guys. I don't think the walking is gonna happen. I need to sleep. I'm so tired.
The walking will definitely not happen. She's so tired.
I need to
She's so
sleep.
tired, right?
I need to take a nap.
Bye bye.
Later na guys.